Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Bitcoin today it's having his moment. Very happy. Now this is going to decide, I guess, if we're going to have. Actually, I didn't want to mention it, but let me put the maybe 12 hours. I know that many people they managed to find a way to count 5 waves up. But me, honestly, in Bitcoin, I do find that it's more a 3 wave up, even the bigger waves. And so now I want to zoom back again into this latest movement. I'm going to go on the 1 hour now and hear me out. So for the moment, I don't have 5 waves. I know some people that they do count 5 waves here. If they do micro counting, I'm not even sure if they do on a 30 minutes or something. That's, they count a 1, 2 here, and this is the 3, 4, and this would be a 5. To me, well, I mean, it is possible, and then we're going to know soon if that's a good count. But me, I just see for the moment a B, and a C, and yeah, for a moment I cannot tell you this was an A, this is the B and the C, and then we had an ABC for the wave B, and then yeah, this is an ABC, and even more on that. I mean, if this is the A and this is the B, the wave C, it has 5 waves. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is an extension of the fifth wave. So to me, anyway, I count that for a moment a diagonal. I count it a 3 wave, and actually I'm going to put it here. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows? But me, for the moment, I am labeling it like that. And for me, this is going to be considered to be a wave 1 of this third wave. Maybe I'm mistaken. We shall know soon, I guess. If this indeed is a wave 1, then for this third wave in orange, well, we're going to have wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, 5. Now I'm just putting numbers there. Don't look necessarily at the levels. Something like this, and after that a bigger wave 4, and then bigger wave 5. All right, so this implies that this third wave as well is going to be a 3 wave, so an A, a B, and a C. So let me just move it around. Okay. I think I'm trying to be more clear, so people, even if they look at the chart, they can see it. So maybe this was an A, another B, and a C. All right, so this is kind of the path that I'm looking for now. Let's see if I'm right, if I do have the good lecture. So if I am right, now we are going to be making this what did I move now? We are going to work on this wave 2. And so I can put my fib retracements for a wave 2. I can even add the 0.382, and this should be the first level maybe that the A wave of this wave 2 is going to go and reach, and then we're going to do once again. I know I'm repeating a lot, but this ideally would do an A, a B, and a C. Ideally, yeah, reach the 1.618, but life is not perfect, so let's see what Bitcoin can give us. Now, if I take this scenario, let me try to have some confirmations or you know, like confluence of levels. So I'm going to take the length of this A wave, which coincide also with the MA 200, and I'm going to add it to the B wave low. So you can see that I almost saw it, it didn't click, sorry about that. You can see that this C wave, it's a little bit short. Let me add the 0.76. All right, so we did reach the 0.76. When we stretch a little bit higher, ideally we do want this C wave to reach 66,870, and then we get the 1-to-1 ratio. Can this become more bullish? Yes, it can. And when it can, well, it's pretty easy. We just check the levels, right? Because if it goes more than 1-to-1 ratio, and actually if we reach the 1.38, or if we reach the 1.618, then this starts to be not, you know, there is a case to see, okay, fine, maybe there was a 1-2 here hidden, and this was the third wave, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. But even then, need to be careful, because the third wave cannot be the shortest one. And I guess if we do this as a 1 and this is a 2, this is a 3, 4, and 5, but you know, if we go like that, it's a little bit unrealistic to have a fifth wave that extended. Anyway, so for the moment, I'm going to leave it like that. I think if I go on a 15-minute chart, I could try to attempt to do an uptrend here, line, and see and watch if, because now we're clearly doing a mini pullback, right? Is the price going to react at this trend? Is it going to hold, or is it going to break it? If it break it, then you know, I need to say fine, you know, this C wave was a little bit shorter, and then we're going to check for the fib retracement levels. But if we get something more, let me go back on the 1 hour. Okay, so if we push a little bit more, then I'm going to definitely watch for this 66,870 and perhaps look for so price action, possibly a rejection of price, and then I'm going to look forward for this ABC once again for this possible wave 2. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Very exciting day. For once, you know, we have a nice, well, no, not for once, but you know, Bitcoin doesn't give us that many days like that with 4.53% up. And so it's a great day once again. Happy Thanksgiving to well, the Canadian people. American, they have to wait a little bit longer. And yeah, on that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.